So was Irma track. It was a major hurricane. It landfall on Florida, and it landfall a Category 1 storm in their sea, and it was a powerful Category 5 storm with 185 miles per hour winds, and it can form a hurricane. Thus, it will evaporate, and if there's clouds, it will create a storm, and then if there's more storm coming to clouds, become to a depression. After depression, tropical storm. That's how hurricane forms. So this is the path. It reached a major hurricane. It was a Category 5 storm in here. And here, Hurricane Harvey hit in Houston. Where are we? We're here in Houston, Texas. Hurricane Harvey landfall to Category 4 storm, and we're survived from Hurricane Harvey, since that's good. And this is the Irma of Category 5 storm. This is the eye of the hurricane. It's like 20 to 40 miles off the eye of the hurricane. And I've explained to you more about hurricanes. Let's see. This is Irma's track history. It went to Tampa and Miami, Florida, and it actually landfall just a little bit in Key West. It actually, let's see, what can I explain more? Wait. So this is Irma. It reached 185 miles per hour. Can you see it? It says there. And it was on 5 a.m. And I'll search more. Your Hurricane Ike. So Hurricane Ike path map was, look at that, it was damaged in there, and there's too many damages, and there's a construction worker are fixing the damages, and it flooded on Houston. Look at this. And this is the Ike history. That was the Ike history. It reached almost a Category 5 storm. If it landfall in Houston, it was a Category 2 storm. And this is the Ike radar. See the eye in there, and it landfall in Houston. It has heavy rains. There's lots of heavy rains on hurricane. It can cause wind gusts. And look at those all damages in there. And this too. And this is the Ike path map. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll explain to you more. Bye.